First of all, I've never tried Rayo's. It's my first time trying Rayo's, and I have to say it really smelled good. Let's try Rayo's. Basil spaghetti sauce. I just bit into something hard. You might have to strain Rayo's. Oh, it's a very nice flavor. How do you eat bucatini? Do you twirl it? So I've never eaten bucatini. I've never put pasta on top of whipped ricotta. Mine is smoother than hers. That's okay. Is it going to taste like eggplant lasagna? Let's see if we can... How do you eat bucatini? How do you eat it? Don't do that. Okay. Let's try the spoon. How do you eat it? Let's try to eat it. Here we go. It's a little spongy. A little more sauce. Okay, let's try a piece of fried eggplant with whipped ricotta. It's tender. Oh, I like that. It's very different. Ricotta spaghetti. Ricotta bucatini. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, that's good. Oh, I like that. I've never had salata. This dish is full of I've never hads. I'm just going to try the salata by itself. If you get out of my way. It's like alive. It's alive. I had to go to an Italian deli to get the ricotta salata. It was like $12, man. Let's try it. Wow. I was thinking it would be sharper, but it's not. I'm gonna try and take a bite of eggplant and this weird stuff. You know, I don't know. I don't know about this weird stuff, this bucatini, man. Here we go. It's fun. Okay, how do you eat it? Tell me, somebody. How do you eat bucatini? Bucatini. I want a real basil leaf. Oh, and let's get a piece of salata if we can. Salata. Oh my gosh. Oh, the basil. I like the hard cheese. I like the salata. It's just not as sharp. I thought it was going to be sharper for some reason. I have had cubed eggplant with spaghetti before. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, I think I'll make this again, but I'll use regular spaghetti. It's just easier to manage. Oh. Tastes really good though. A mess. Making a mess. Now, this is our last bite, man. It is easy to make, I have to say. Not the way she makes it. Oh! Come on! I found a little article about Pizzeria Delora. And I also watched a couple of her videos, interviews. I wish I lived in California. I would love to visit, man. Out of the entire world, she's on the list of best pizzerias. That's pretty cool. And when I saw a picture of this, I just had to try it. I may have bastardized it, but it's delicious. It really is. Just don't think I like that pasta. I love eggplant. I love eggplant. I'm thinking thin spaghetti. Hey, I did it. Oh, that's a good one. Hey, thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Bye.